Hello, wonderful, beautiful, amazing people. You're welcome to this channel. I miss you so much, and I know you do miss me a lot. If this is your first time on this channel, I will encourage you to stick to this channel, and I'll also give you a membership card which will make you eligible to become part of this community. And what is that? Your membership card is to like, share and comment down below on any video I upload. Okay, I apologize for the inconvenience I've caused you for not posting videos for a while. Actually, I took a little trip outside my homeland, and guess where? To Captain Traore's country, Burkina Faso. I mentioned Captain Traore because I like that man and I believe in his vision. Anyway, I enjoyed the place. Ouaga is a cool place. So far, my only challenge was the weather. Unfortunately for us, our trip coincided with the dry season and there was a lot of heat. Yes, I enjoyed the stay. The people are generous and hospitable. They are welcoming. They laugh with whoever they come across, regardless of your background. So Burkina Faso was another level. We embarked on a sachet water business, did some beautiful installation of 3-ton RO and 2 Koyo machine for a client who reached out to me from Kopela in Ouaga. I'll let you enjoy a few time scheme of the video of the installation we did and everything that happened during our stay. So that was not all. We also took his workers into a 1-month intensive training on how they will manage the factory and be able to do a clean production and also maintain hygiene at all times as far as this work is concerned. So let me also gist you on the food that is most eaten in Ouagadougou. You will find rice and soup, sachet and beans. Those of you who know, you know. And there is this tasty local shawarma. If you have tried this kind of foods before, comment down below and let me know. I really enjoyed these food when I was in Kopela. Yeah, I was into sachet and beans. I was into the local shawarma. The local shawarma is tasty. It's different from the shawarma Ghanaian people know, but this is good. This is another level of shawarma. It's tasty, it's nice. Yeah, and rice and soup is most eaten by the people. All right, yeah. So I really enjoyed this food during my stay in Kopela. So stay tuned to this channel and enjoy the adventure I'm about to be feeding you with. I believe this is going to help you a lot because most of the videos of the training sections are answers to your question. So don't skip any one of them. I'm going to be sharing them with you time in time. See you in another video.